case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Texas dealt with a case in 1999, Thapar v. Zezulka, which centered around the conflict of mental health professionals' duty to warn third parties about a patient's threats of imminent harm and the confidentiality laws that protect their patients. In this case, the court found that the duty to maintain patient confidentiality outweighed the duty to warn third parties. The lawsuit was brought against psychiatrist Dr. Renu K. Thapar by Lyndall Zezulka after her husband was killed by one of Dr. Thapar's patients, Freddie Ray Lilly. Lilly, who had a history of mental illness, had expressed a desire to kill Zezulka to Dr. Thapar during a hospitalization. Zezulka claimed that Dr. Thapar acted negligently in both diagnosing and treating Lilly, while also failing to warn them of Lilly's threats. Despite evidence in Lilly's treatment records that he sometimes felt homicidal, Dr. Thapar never warned any family member or law enforcement agency of his threats against Zezulka. The court, faced with determining if mental health professionals can be held liable for failing to warn third parties of a patient's threats, decided against such a cause of action due to the existing confidentiality laws and legislative policies. Ultimately, the court held the trial court's summary judgment for the psychiatrist, ruling that Dr. Thapar did not owe a duty to Zezulka to warn about Lilly's threats. They reversed the Court of Appeals judgment and affirmed that the third party received nothing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.